Want to recreate Tripti Dimri's effortlessly radiant look? Her minimal makeup style is all about natural beauty and chic elegance. From soft, glowing skin to perfectly subtle eyes. I've got a step-by-step guide just for you, so let's go. Step 1. Start fresh with a hydrated base. The secret to a flawless makeup? A fresh hydrated base. Start by cleaning your face, applying a rich moisturizer to keep your skin smooth and plump. Go with CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. It's a game changer for hydration. This sets the stage for a seamless makeup application. Step 2. Flawless skin with lightweight coverage. Next, even out your skin tone with a lightweight foundation. Use the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Liquid Foundation for natural, breathable coverage. Blend it in with the damp makeup sponge for that second skin finish. This foundation provides a good coverage. Step 3. Conceal for a polished look. Brighten up your under eyes and hide any blemishes with a creamy concealer like L'Oreal Paris Full Coverage Concealer. Blend it seamlessly to avoid harsh lines and achieve that polished glow. Step 4. Subtle depth with shimmery eyeshadow. For your eyes, keep it soft and subtle. Use MAC Eyeshadow 9 for a shimmery brown tone. Apply it on your lids and blend it into the crease for depth. Smudge a little along your lash line for a gentle definition. There is no harsh eyeliner here, just understated elegance. Step 5. Lush lashes for wide-eyed charm. Open up your eyes with lush lashes. The Clinique High Impact Curling Mascara adds volume and length. Apply a light coat to keep the look fresh and natural, or double up for extra drama. Step 6. Rosy glow for the cheeks. Add a hint of color with rosy pink blush. Use Bare Minerals Gen Nude Powder Blush to sweep a rosy glow onto the apples of your cheeks. Blend upwards towards your temples for that lifted and radiant look. Step 7. Soft contour for definition. Define your features subtle with Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Easy Contour. Apply it to your cheekbones, jawline and forehead, and then blend it well for natural shadows. Its contouring is made simple. Step 8. Perfectly groomed brows. Frame your face with perfectly groomed brows. The Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil helps you define them with featherly strokes. Finish with a clear brow gel to lock them in place all day. Step 9. Lips that speak elegance. Complete the look with soft natural lips. Outline with a nude or pink lip liner and fill it with Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. This long-lasting matte formula keeps your lips looking chic all day. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to Tripti Dimri's minimal makeup look. Subtle, chic and absolutely stunning. Try these products and let your natural beauty shine. If you're watching this video on Instagram, check out our product link in bio. On YouTube, check the description box. For more celebrity-inspired content, subscribe to Time Shopping Guide, your guide to smarter shopping.